Hello everyone, welcome to all in my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about the Bootstrap tooltip. The tooltip component is a small pop-up box that appears when the user moves the mouse pointer over an element. So if you want to also create tooltips, you have to watch this entire video. So if you want to create the tooltip, you have to add the data-bs-toggle. It's called the tooltip attribute to an element, and you can use the title attribute to specify the text that should be displayed inside the tooltip. Okay, so a tooltip must be initialized with JavaScript to work. So hoping that you will follow all the steps which is mentioned on this video. So without any delay, let's start. Okay, so first of all, if you want to create the tooltip, it's too much easy. Okay, so I'm just going to type few things here. First of all, I'm going to create a button. Okay, yeah, inside the button I'm just typing over me. Okay, so inside the button I am just giving a type here. The type is button. Okay, then class is equal to btn minus primary, then data minus bs minus target is equal to tooltip. Title is equal to array. Okay, then now I'm going to run this script. So now we can see here one button is created, and so now we can see our tooltip is coming the below of the button. Okay, so it's too much easy. So in this way you can easily create the tooltip. So hoping that you get few ideas. Thank you so much.